Hello everyone and welcome to Insider Financial Talk Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today. I'm the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and in this video we will recap last week's market action and discuss our game plan for the coming week. But first up, to get our market moving reports on top small caps, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up with your email on any of the pop-ups on InsiderFinancial.com. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. Mobile is the fastest way to get our reports, and it works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1+ area code and number. Don't begin the format with 0, it will not work. And after you sign up, you'll get a welcome email, which includes a free copy of the Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks ebook. Our ebook, our email service, and our text messaging service are all free service from InsiderFinancial.com. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever, no Discord rooms or Telegram chat groups. And speaking of reports, congrats to all subscribers who got our Friday afternoon alert that finished the day up 29%. We will be sending out more alerts this week, so make sure you subscribe. And again, it's completely free. Well, guys, it was another down week on Wall Street. The S&P 500 on Friday retreated 2.39% for the week to close at 42.24, posting losses in 4 out of 5 sessions. Sentiment was primarily weighed down by geopolitical concerns stemming from the ongoing conflict between Israel and Islamist group Hamas, along with a brutal sell-off in bonds that sent Treasury yields soaring above 5% on the U.S. 10-year. This is the first time it hit that level since July 2007. Also adding to the gloomy atmosphere on Wall Street was hotter than expected retail sales data, along with mixed commentary from a host of Fed speakers, chief among them being Fed Chair Jay Powell, his remarks at an event at the Economic Club of New York. Most of the officials hinted that interest rates could be kept steady, leading the market to bolster their bets for no more rate hikes this year. We also had negative commentary from Elon Musk on the Tesla earnings call. Tesla missed estimates and Musk was bearish on the economy. Shares of Tesla finished the week down 15%. In Washington, we still don't have a speaker as Republicans cannot get their act together. Biden asked for more than $100 billion for Ukraine and Israel. Defense stocks will remain hot, particularly drone companies. For the week ahead, on Monday at 8:30 a.m., we get the Chicago Fed National Activity Index. On Tuesday, we get a host of S&P Global PMIs, manufacturing PMI, and services PMI. And then we also get Richmond Fed Index. Earnings will come from Alphabet, Microsoft, Visa, Texas Instruments, General Electric, Raytheon, Dow Inc., General Motors, 3M, Pulte Group, Halliburton, Coca-Cola, Kimberly-Clark, Corning. GM earnings shall be interesting. You have the UAW strike still going on. I think that is going to, be an effect, have an effect as we go into the end of the quarter, end of the year, if this keeps going on as much longer. On Wednesday, we get building permits at 8 a.m., new home sales at 10 a.m. We also get earnings from Hilton Worldwide, General Dynamics, T-Mobile, Boeing, Hess, Meta Platforms. That's going to be the big one. Got to remember, guys, Meta, Nvidia, Tesla, Apple, Microsoft, these big companies, these big tech companies, these are the ones that have been holding up the market. And if they start to, deteriorate, earnings concerns, geopolitical concerns, Nvidia, you have Biden announcing that they want to limit restrict chip sales to China. We're seeing that playing out here. Everyone's talking about Nvidia going to 600, 700. We're got as high, the 502 pivot high over the summer in August, and then 475 was the highest we can get here, and we're at 413. So we break through 400, gonna be get ugly, and that's gonna pull the averages down. The SPY, we're here at 421. 420 is the major support zone. We break through 420, and things can certainly get ugly. So going to be watching that this week. On Thursday, we get at 8:30 a.m. durable goods orders. We also get GDP Q3 at 8:30 a.m. GDP is forecast to accelerate to 4.1% growth during the quarter from 2.1% in Q2. We'll also get initial claims and wholesale inventories. Earnings front, we're getting Northrop Grumman, Procter and PG&E, MasterCard, Amazon. Amazon's the other big seven holding up the market. Royal Caribbean, UPS, Southwest Airlines, Comcast, Hershey, Intel, Ford Motor, Capital One, Chipotle. And then on Friday, we get personal consumption expenditure and personal income at 8:30 a.m. And then earnings from Phillips 66, Chevron, Stanley Black & Decker, ExxonMobil, Colgate, Palmolive. So again, these are all a big week of earnings, and that's going to set the tone for the market. But for stock pickers, you used to be able to focus on the micro, that individual company, but there's so much macro concern going on right now that even if the company beats, it's going to limit the upside and could even sell off. You look at Netflix, had the gap up, but on the 2 days after, red candles. So again, there's just a lot of uncertainty out there. The market making a move right now is Bitcoin. As at the time of the recording, we're over $30,000. On Friday, Chief Legal Officer at Coinbase reportedly said that he's hopeful that a spot Bitcoin ETF will soon be greenlit by the SEC. He didn't exactly say when that might happen. Any decision, of course, he said, remains up to the SEC. For a more specific projection, Galaxy Digital CEO Mike Novogratz has said an ETF that invests directly in ETF will get approved as soon as this year. He also said Terra Luna was a great investment, got the tattoo. So I will take what he says with a grain of salt. All these guys are pumping. They're pumping their own book. He's long Bitcoin. He wants it, of course, to go higher. And, just always be skeptical, guys. Barclays analyst Benjamin Buddish, meantime, has contended that Bitcoin ETF approvals would start to take effect next year, with the timeline of approval for the ARC21 shares Bitcoin futures strategy ETF close to expiring. A spot Bitcoin ETF designed to track the price of Bitcoin rather than Bitcoin futures is fitted for those who want to be directly exposed to Bitcoin without actually owning the underlying token. So let's see how it plays out. But again, this is bullish price action. And what's interesting is that, everything keeps changing. They're focused on the spot Bitcoin ETF. But again, through this year, when I would get, bullish, or I was looking for a signal of a bullish catalyst, Bitcoin was catching the bid earlier, and then that fed into the Nasdaq and the big tech names. So again, Bitcoin catching a bid, but big tech is not. So certainly we're getting a dislocation here. Certainly going to be interesting. In terms of small caps and penny stocks, I am not seeing anything right now at the moment that I like. I will be screening as usual each and every day in the pre-market. If I or my team see anything, we will send out a text or email, so make sure you are subscribed. And at InsiderFinancial.com, we put stocks on your radar with potential outsized moves. As I have repeatedly stated, there are always opportunities each day in the markets. The key is trading green, not red. We are looking for those momentum plays that have catalysts. It's all about finding the momentum before it happens and riding that wave. That's what we're doing here at InsiderFinancial.com. And to get our small cap reports, we cover low floats, short squeezes, recent IPOs, biotech FDA plays, AI stocks, EV stocks, lithium stocks. Click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up on any of the pop-ups on InsiderFinancial.com. No spam. Your info is never shared. Unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up just to see the level of research we do here at InsiderFinancial.com and unsubscribe. Finally, Insider Financial and I are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion, is meant for informational and educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. Thanks for watching. Remember to smash that like button and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new video is uploaded. Have a great week, traders. Bye-bye.